Hello friends, today again we will discuss the same topic, staffing. Now what are the different importance we will discuss of staffing. Now first of all we will discuss different importance. First is proper staffing helps in discovering and obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. This is your first importance. Help in discovering and obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. If we have a proper staffing, that will ensure that we obtain knowledgeable and skillful personnel, or you can say employees, for different vacant jobs. Second, staffing also helps by putting right person on the right job, and it has to make us higher performance, or you can say that staffing ensure higher performance by putting right person on the right job. Third, if we have a proper staffing function, then it ensure the managers for continuous survival and growth of the enterprise. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि staffing also give an ensurety to the manager for continuous survival of the enterprise and as well as growth of the enterprise. A proper staffing has to ensure optimum utilization of human resources by avoiding overstaffing and understaffing. So at the same time, it avoids disruption of work by indicating in advance the shortage of personnel. A proper staffing also helps to improve job satisfactions and morale of employees through objective assessment and fair reward for their contribution. So these are the different importance if we have a proper staffing, or you can say staffing ensure different benefit to the organization. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि staffing must be performed, this function must be performed efficiently by all organization. If right kind of employees are not available, it will lead to wastage of materials, time, effort and energy, which result in lower productivity and poor quality of product. So therefore it is essential that right kind of people must be available in right number at the right time, which has to minimum the wastage, and they must also be introduced to show higher productivity and quality of offering them proper incentive. So these are the different importance of staffing. So we can say that human resources are the most important asset of an organization, and the ability of an organization to achieve its goal depend upon the quality of its human resources. Therefore, staffing is very important managerial function. No organization can be successful unless it can fill the various position provided for in the structure with the right kind of people. Now next topic is staffing is a part of human resource management. Now next the staffing is closely linked to the organization, since after the structure and ये कह सकते हैं कि staffing is closely linked to the organization, since after the structure and positions have been decided, people are required to work in these positions. These functions deal with the human element of management, and managing the human competent of an organization is the most important task, because the performance of an organization depends how well this function is performed. It is the responsibility of all managers to directly deal with and select people to work for the organization. When the manager performs the staffing function, his role is slightly limited. In a small organization, managers may perform all duties related to employees' salary, welfare, and condition. But an organization grow a number of persons employed increases, a separate department called human resource development is formed, which has a specialist in managing people. So we can say that human resource department is a part of the staffing. If organization running on a small scale, then all functions of staffing done by the same manager. But when an organization grow, a number of persons employed increases, a separate department called HRD, or you can say human resource department is formed. The number of human resources specialists and size of this department give an indication of the size of business as well. Now, what are the duties? What are the functions performed by human resource management? These are the same functions. Recruitment means inviting the person for vacant job, or you can say search for qualified people for vacant job, or you can say recruitment may be defined as the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for job in the organization. Second, analyzing job, which type of jobs are vacant, then collect the informations, or you can say prepare different type of descriptions of the job, then set the compensation, incentives plan, salary, how will we provide, then training and development employees for efficient performance and career growth, maintaining labor relations and union management relation. Under this we prepare different type of law related to labor relations, handling their grievances and complaints. Next is providing social security, welfare of the employees. Then how you solve their complaints, prepare different rules. So these are the different duties performed by the HRD, or you can say human resource development. So it is a part of staffing, not a separate part of business. That's all for today.